Hi everyone! In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to make this macrame leaf keychain. This project uses 3mm single-strand cord. Cut one 30cm length and 10 20cm lengths. I'm also using a lobster clasp, a cardstock template, a comb, and scissors. Start by attaching the 30cm long piece of cord to your clasp using a reverse lark's head knot. Pull snug to firmly secure the cord to the clasp. This piece will be your filler cord. The remaining 10 pieces of cord will be attached using a variation of a square knot. Take a piece of your cut cord and fold it in half. Lay the cord horizontally underneath your working cord. Fold a second piece of cord in half. This piece will remain on top of the filler cord. Bring the loop towards the ends of your first piece of cord and pull them through. Then take your ends through the loop of the first piece of cord. Here's how your knot should look at this point. Take the ends of the cord in both hands and pull snug. Adjust your knot as needed. Slide your square knot up the filler cord so that it's touching your lark's head knot. I'll run through this square knot again using the next two pieces of cord. Remember to slide your square knot up the filler cord so that it's touching the knot above. Attach the remaining 6 pieces of cord using the same knot. Next, use a comb to brush out your cord. It works best to start at the end and work your way towards the middle. Comb out the working cords as well as the filler cord at the bottom. I've sped up this process because it can take several passes with the comb to get the fringe looking as smooth as you'd like. The smoother the fringe is, the easier cutting will be. Once you're done brushing out the top side of your cord, flip your work over and brush out the reverse for extra smooth fringe. Adjust your knots as needed as you work. You can cut the shape of your leaf freehand or use a template. If you're using a template, place it on top of your cord. I find it easiest to cut off the excess fringe before getting into the finer details. Before starting the finer cuts, remove your template and brush out the fringe again. Cut the cord close to the template on this second pass. After you've completed the second pass, brush out your fringe again. This should reveal any uneven pieces. Fine-tune the shape of your leaf freehand. To get a really clean looking edge, make sure that the length of the cord is uniform from the top of the leaf towards the bottom of the leaf. And there you have it, your own macrame leaf keychain. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly projects. Happy knotting!